Wasps are among the most hated insects out there. They can be aggressive. They're often present when you're trying to enjoy some food, and their stings hurt like hell. But despite all of this, wasps are really important for our survival. In today's episode, we'll look at why. Hello and welcome to Life Noggin. You may not think that it's possible for something as small as a wasp to have a big impact on humans, but it's true. There are actually several reasons why wasps are good for us. For starters, wasps are predators. Many of them prey on other insects, including pests that can damage crops or spread disease. For example, in the UK, the invasive and extremely aggressive wasp, species known as the Asian hornet, has been found to prey on the larvae of the common green lacewing, which is an insect that can cause significant damage to crops such as cabbage and carrots. By eating the larvae of these potentially harmful insects, wasps help keep their populations under control. This means that fewer crops are destroyed and less diseases get spread, benefiting both humans and other animals. In fact, one study found that a single wasp could catch up to 4,000 pests in a single year, so even just one wasp can make a difference. Not only do wasps help keep pest populations down, but they also help with crop pollination. While bees are the most common pollinators on farmland, other insects such as wasps can fill this role when bees aren't around. For example, in South Africa, fig wasps are the primary pollinators of wild and cultivated figs. And in Japan, wasps pollinate the flowers of the loquat tree. That is not to say that wasps are great pollinators in general, because there are many plants that wasps do unpollinate well simply because they aren't very good at handling pollen. But for the plants that rely on wasps for pollination, it's a necessary service that ensures their continued existence. Another way that wasps benefit humans is by providing a source of income. Yes, you heard that right. In some places, people actually make money from rearing wasps. This is because wasps are farmed for use in a traditional form of Chinese medicine called xiansao, which is used to treat a variety of ailments from arthritis to asthma. While there is limited scientific evidence to support the use of wasp venom for medical purposes, it is still a popular practice and one that provides income for many people. For example, in China, the annual market for xiansao products is estimated to be worth over $30 million. This provides jobs for many people, especially in rural areas where wasp farming is common. Of course, there are ethical concerns surrounding the farming of animals for any purpose, but in this case, it is done in a way that does not harm the wasps. The venom is extracted from the wasps while they are still alive, and the wasps are able to live out the remainder of their natural lifespan. Finally, beyond their economic and ecological roles, wasps are simply fascinating creatures that deserve our respect. Wasps exhibit complex social behaviors, communicate with each other through pheromones, and have intricate life cycles. Some species of wasps are highly venomous and can pose a risk to humans. However, this should not be the basis of our relationship with them. We should strive to understand and appreciate the role that wasps play in our world and take steps to coexist with them peacefully. This can help us to foster a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world around us. So the next time you see a wasp, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and the important role it plays in our ecosystem. Maybe it's hard to do that when it's flying aggressively towards your face. But maybe if you take a deep breath and remember all the good that wasps do, you can find it in your heart to forgive them. And if that doesn't work, you can always run away and hide. Now you know why wasps matter. But did you know that there are over 2,000 species of wasps? Well, there are. And if you want to learn more about one particular species, check out this episode where we take a closer look at the incredibly intricate lives of paper wasps. Or if you'd rather learn about something completely different, check out this episode. As always, it's up to you. Click here. If you want to learn more about how big a wasp's brain is in comparison to a human brain, subscribe if you want us to keep making these videos, and leave a comment if you have a topic that you want us to cover in the future.